Incredibly simple YouTube Shorts copy-paste method. A beginner's guide to making $40,000 per month online. So you want to cash in on those YouTube Shorts, right? Great news! You can now monetize without the hassle. No need to sell, promote, or beg for brand deals. Just get those views rolling. But how do you do it? Stick around, I've got the roadmap. From this week onward, unlocking the potential of your YouTube Shorts just get a whole lot easier. Check out the link in the description where you can snag 30, 180, or even 365 user-generated viral YouTube Shorts. Unique content that's never hit YouTube before. And here's the kicker, 100% of the profits are yours for a lifetime, along with all the views these shorts bring. Yep, that first link below? It's your golden ticket. Now, let's dive into the meat of this video. I'm about to spill the beans on a game-changing app that does the heavy lifting, making YouTube short creation a breeze. No need to sell, promote, or chase brand deals. I'll walk you through the steps to effortlessly generate and monetize YouTube Shorts. Monetizing YouTube Shorts can be tricky, right? But hey, you can now monetize them without the need for revenue. Just like you monetize long-form content, you can now slap ads on your YouTube Shorts, but only if you're approved into the partner program. The requirements? 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public YouTube Shorts views. Go for the views. It's the fast track to approval. Forget the struggle to rack up 4,000 hours of watch time. Focus on the goldmine of 10 million YouTube Shorts views. It's a piece of cake compared to the alternative. And here's the scoop. You can now monetize your YouTube Shorts without selling a thing. No affiliate offers, no brand deals. Just get approved into the partner program and watch the cash roll in based on your views. Sweet, right? But why stop there? I've got more tricks up my sleeve. Diversify your revenue streams with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, brand deals, and even print on demand. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's talk about a killer strategy, turning podcasts and interviews into YouTube Shorts gold. Imagine this, a faceless channel clipping out 30 to 60 seconds of famous people's speeches, podcast snippets, and interviews. It's a trend that's exploding with channels getting tens of millions of views. Worried about copyright? Fear not. You're not stealing. You're amplifying their reach. Take Logan Paul's impulsive clips for example. Head over to caughtytey.com, paste the podcast link, and in just 2 minutes, grab the juiciest 10 seconds. Download the snippet, and now you're ready for the magic tool, CapCut. This online tool lets you edit your YouTube Short with one click. Drag, drop, customize captions, and add engaging elements. It's a creative playground. Finish your masterpiece, hit export, and voila! Upload it to your channel and watch the views flood in. Monetize with affiliates, ads, or whatever tickles your fancy. Don't want to wait for the YouTube Partner Program? No problem. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on turning podcasts into YouTube Shorts gold. If you're already active on TikTok, leverage your existing content to kickstart your presence on YouTube Shorts effortlessly. A straightforward method involves cross-posting your TikTok videos on YouTube, expanding your social media reach with minimal additional effort. There are various ways to share TikTok content and YouTube Shorts, but some methods are more effective than others. The initial option is to download your TikTok video after posting it and then re-upload it to YouTube. However, this approach comes with a downside. The video will carry the TikTok watermark. While not a major issue, it's a subtle nuance that might affect the overall aesthetics. Another option is to craft your TikToks in a video editor like Capwing, ensuring you have a raw video file in the correct dimensions. The drawback here is the need to synchronize the music and effects separately for each platform, preventing an identical match. The most straightforward option is to use a third-party service such as Capwing that allows you to download TikToks without a watermark. By pasting your TikTok link into Capwing's editor, you can import the video without the TikTok watermark, preserving audio. effects, and overlay text. The only missing element is automatic captions, which you can easily add using Capwing's automatic subtitler in just a few clicks. Pro tip: verify that your captions will be visible in YouTube Shorts by using the Safe Zones tool. Take inspiration from @MorganDrinksCoffee, who successfully transformed a TikTok into a short, reaching a broader audience on YouTube with minimal effort. Similar to TikTok, you might have engaging Instagram Reels that are perfect for YouTube Shorts. However, the challenge here is dealing with watermarks. If you're comfortable with a small watermark, you can directly download your Reels by tapping the three dots icon and selecting Download. To remove the watermark, utilize Capwing once again. Paste your reel link, download it without the watermark, and then upload it as a YouTube short. Check out this example where @Mary Battalion packs an order of washi tapes and other goods, turning an Instagram reel into a captivating YouTube short. As a Twitch streamer, you already possess a treasure trove of content that can be repurposed into engaging YouTube shorts. The simplest approach is to select a clip from one of your streams and upload it directly to YouTube. However, you might encounter cropping issues that don't align with your preferences. For a more polished YouTube short from a Twitch clip, leverage video editing software like Capwing to transform your stream into a vertical video. Witness the creativity of streamer @Skylux, who edited a video to showcase her webcam at the top and the game at the bottom, adding an overlay with her Twitch handle. If you have long-form YouTube videos, consider converting them into shorts, essentially doubling your content output. Use video editing software to reformat longer videos into shorts, maintaining a vertical format and ensuring the duration stays under 60 seconds. Focus on capturing particularly interesting or entertaining moments or providing a summary of the original video. For instance, observe how the Try Guys repurposed a video about Keith eating everything at Cracker Barrel into a short about what to order at the restaurant. Similar to the above idea, transform your live YouTube videos into shorts. The most effective method involves using video editing software to reshape your live content into short, vertical videos. Simply Nail Logical is a prime example, frequently editing live videos into engaging shorts as seen in her recreation of Taylor Swift's nail art. If you host webinars or produce branded videos, ensure you record them as they can effortlessly be turned into YouTube Shorts. Trim the clips to highlight key moments or tips. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this YouTube Short strategies helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more bite-sized content. Stay tuned for the next video. And remember, simplicity is key in mastering YouTube Shorts. See you in the next one.